Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now let's see the next question in second unit. Show that the generators pass through the point alpha, beta, gamma whose direction cosines satisfies the condition a alpha square plus bm square plus cm square equal to 0. That is a given condition. So now whatever the generators passes through this point, okay, so those all generators satisfy this condition, then the final resultant cone equation we have to prove like this. So a into x minus alpha whole square plus b into y minus beta whole square plus c into z minus gamma whole square equal to 0. So very important problem, especially for short answers type questions. You can see first of all cone equation. For this problem, diagram is very important. Okay, so this is our cone. Now here I am taking the generators. If you take this point alpha, beta, gamma, that is vertex of the cone. If you take this point alpha, beta, gamma, this point we can call it as a vertex of the cone. Vertex of the cone. So now generator is nothing but for any cone, okay, any line which is passing through the vertex of the cone. Okay, so now I am taking generators of a cone. So these are the different generators passing through the vertex of the cone, like this. Okay, so now similarly we can see few more. You can see this is also one generator, and from this point this is one generator, and from this point from the same vertex this is one more generator. Okay, so this is a cone, vertex of the cone. Whenever you take generators, all those generators passing through the vertex of the cone only. Now direction cosines of these generators, what they are saying in the problem, direction cosines of these generators satisfying the given condition, then we have to prove the required cone equation is this. Okay, so first of all, so see the solution of this problem. What is given? So first of all, given I am writing, given alpha, beta, gamma is the vertex of the cone. Vertex of the cone. Okay, so generators passes through the vertex, they are saying. Okay, so equation of the generator, equation of the generator passes through the vertex of the cone. The vertex of the cone is, we can write, you know very well that equation. What is that equation? X minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by small m. This is the equation. Okay, so remember carefully, x minus alpha by L equal to y minus beta by n, m is equal to z minus gamma by n. So now this equation represents only one generator. Okay, here we have lot of generators. Now these all generators passing through only one point. That point is the vertex of the cone. Now from this point find direction cosines. What are the direction cosines? Direction cosines are nothing but small l, small m, small n values. Okay, so from the equation number 1, take this one, equation number 1. From equation number 1, so direction cosines of the generator, are, so we can write L is equal to x minus alpha, and small m is equal to y minus beta, and small n is equal to z minus gamma. Okay, so from the from equation number 1, direction cosines of the generator 1, we can write small l, small m, small n. These are the values. Now substitute these three values in the given condition. So what is the given condition? So given condition is what is the given condition? A L square plus B M square plus C N square is equal to 0. Substitute L, M, N values. Substitute L, M, N values in this equation in above condition or above equation. Okay. So therefore we can write A into, what is the L value? L is nothing but x minus alpha whole square plus B into, what is the M value? Y minus beta whole square plus C into, what is the small n value? Z minus gamma whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required cone equation. Okay, those generator passing through the only one vertex of the cone. Okay, this is the final equation and this is the required equation of the given problem. So what we discussed in this problem, so they have given one vertex of the cone, all the generators passing through one point only. Okay, and those the direction cosines of the given generators satisfying the one common condition, that is Al square plus Bm square plus Cn square equal to 0. Now from the generator equation, after deriving the direction cosines values, substitute in the given condition, then we will get the required equation of the cone. Okay, so this is the total problem. Be careful. So for these types of problems, diagrams are very important. You have to draw in this format. Okay, so this is the total explanation of this problem. So I hope you understood this problem very well. In the next lecture we are coming with next problem, that is with the next method. Okay, make a perfect practice, prepare well. Until bye, thank you.